G'day, Jimmy here from Torqit Performance. We've had a client come to us today with their 79 Series Landcruiser. They do a bit of towing caravans and they've found it a bit sluggish when they're up at high speeds and it's under load. So today we're going to be helping them fix that. We're going to fit our full performance kit. That's a performance exhaust system, our Bluetooth pedal torque throttle controller and our power module. And we're expecting gains of about 56 kilowatts and 183 newton meters of torque. And we're going to be showing you today what's involved with fitting all three things. Alright, first up, we've got our Torqit Performance module, or power module. Now these are designed in Australia. We have them manufactured in Germany, and we tune each one in-house here at Torqit to ensure that they're safe and compatible with the conditions here in Australia. Now, this plugs directly into the fuel system that feeds the injectors and atomises the fuel that's available to the engine with each stroke. This is our latest generation, and they're very quick to install. There she is, all done. So next up, we've got our Pedal Torq Plus. This is a Bluetooth throttle controller. Now how it works is, this is an electronic foot pedal. That's just sending a signal through to a computer. So cars that use what's called drive-by-wire or fly-by-wire technology can often suffer from throttle lag. So that's like a pause. You put your foot down, it takes about a second for the car to start to go. Now, since it is electronic, we can plug this in here and we can get the signal through to the computer faster. We can increase the curve of the acceleration of the car and eliminate that lag. Now, they're extremely quick to install. Watch this. So here's your accelerator pedal. Now just above the pedal, you've got this plug. So we're going to unplug that, take that off there. Pedal Torq has two plugs, male and female. Pretty self-explanatory. The female one goes on here, and the male one goes in the other end. All done. Linking our Bluetooth Pedal Torq Plus is pretty quick. Here's our app here. Now, to link it, we just need to link the QR code to it, which I'm going to do now. So that's just grabbed that there and found it. And with the car in the on position, we search for it. And there she is, she's linked. All right, last up, we've got a 3-inch performance exhaust system. Now this is a 304 grade, 1.9 millimeter thick performance system. It's one of the thickest on the market in Australia. Now, not only is this going to sound good, getting that good V8 rumble out of the car, but it's going to add considerable power gains as well. It does that by being bigger than the original system and getting the hot exhaust gases away from the turbo and letting the engine breathe easier. The fitting time on this system is about 3 hours. You don't need a hoist, maybe add a couple of hours if you haven't got one with you, but it's a fully bolt-on system. There's no cutting or welding required.